In this video, you'll be learning how to report a spam on Telegram. Are there users that keep sending you messages you find irritating? Or have you noticed a scammer on the app Telegram? This is how you get to report spam on Telegram. Now, we are going to be using two ways in this video. First, you can head to the official Telegram support team. We'll be dropping the link in the description of this video. All you just need to do is just head to this homepage, all right, this Telegram official interface for reporting suspicious activities on Telegram. And secondly, we'll be using the app itself, Telegram app itself. So how do you get to use the Telegram app itself? Let's head straight to the app. But just before we head straight for the app, it might interest you to consider subscribing to this channel. Ensure to turn on the notification bell so that you don't get to miss out on any updates we upload, because we upload videos on this channel regularly. Also, do well to give us a thumbs up and let us know what you think about the video in the comment section below. Now let's get straight into the app. Now go to Telegram. This is the second option. The first option is to go to the official Telegram support page. There you can lay the complaint directly, and we have already dropped the link. You can find the link of that page in the description of this video. And secondly, using the app itself, all you need to do is just to click on the search button here at the top right hand corner where the arrow is pointing at. So you click on it, then you search this no to scam. Now you can see we have three options. The very first one has the blue badge as a sign that it is verified. So that's the one we'll be using. Just click on the very first option, which says report impersonation, and you can start the conversation here. Then just drop your report here, and hopefully it will be attended to. So this is how you get to go about this, how to report spam on Telegram. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you all in other videos. Bye for now.